To remove the wireless LAN antennas, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. In some units, you will also need to remove the fan. Carefully snap off the antenna connector or connectors from the wireless LAN board. Remove the antennas from the metal cable guide on the edge of the motherboard shielding and the plastic guides on the rear cover up to the left or main antenna location. Remove the left main antenna from its remaining cable guide on the rear cover at the top of the cover. If a dual antenna is installed, remove the right auxiliary antenna from its remaining cable guides on the top of the rear cover. Pry off the foil tape, securing each antenna to its mounting location, and pry up the adhesive securing each antenna to the unit to remove the antennas. Note, every antenna spared for this unit will be a dual antenna, even for units with a wireless LAN board with a single antenna port. To replace the antennas, place each antenna, adhesive side down, onto its mounting location. Press the foil tape for each antenna down into place. Replace the right auxiliary antenna into its plastic cable guides along the top of the rear cover. Replace the left main antenna into its cable guide near the top of the rear cover. Place both antenna cables into the plastic cable guides leading to the motherboard area and into the metal cable guide at the edge of the motherboard shielding. Reattach the antenna connectors to the board. If the unit has dual antennas installed with a wireless LAN board with dual antenna ports, the antenna connectors labeled 1 and 2 should be connected to corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the board. For a unit with a single port board, connect the antenna labeled 1 to the single port on the board and leave the auxiliary 2 antenna unconnected.